Hi friends, Sarve Jana Sukuna Bhavantu. This is DrBP alias BAPUJI PULLEPU. You see, in this problem actually evaluate using the Cauchy's residue theorem. Integral over C 2z minus 1 z into z plus 1 z minus 3 dz, where C is modulus z is equal to 2. So everything available in my hand, slowly I will attack. See, by Cauchy's integral formula means that is, you see the point is singular point is inside or outside. Is inside means you can write 2 pi I into f of a, you will write. Residue theorem is what? 2 pi I into sigma I can write. Already I told you, looking the problem, if it is 1 by 2 in the question itself, if they are given 1 by 2 pi means no problem. If they are not given means you can multiply by 2 pi I. Answer is what? It multiply 2 pi I. That is very important always while doing the Cauchy's integral formula or Cauchy's residue theorem. Question is they are mentioned 2 pi 1 by 2 pi into something or not. If it is not mentioned means what, you can multiply with 2 pi. That is one important point. Then how we are doing is important by using Cauchy's integral formula or using Cauchy's residue theorem. Residue means you can residues you can find 2 pi into sigma. Cauchy's integral formula means already you know how to attack. Previous videos you just take and check. Now I want to finding the residues, I want to find the poles. Here what are the poles actually? Okay, before that I want to draw modulus z is equal to 2. Modulus z is equal to 2 means what? Centroid origin, radius is 2. Circle, equation of circle 0, 1, 2, I, 2i, minus 1, minus 2, minus a, minus a. Okay. Now my poles are what? Z is equal to 0 is simple pole. Z is equal to minus 1 also simple pole. Z is equal to 3 also simple pole. Okay. Now modulus Z is equal to 2 means what? This is 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2. Which poles are inside? Z is equal to 0 is inside. Z is equal to 1 is inside. 3 is what? Somewhere outside. So residue at Z is equal to 3 become vanish. That is integral become vanish. Residue cannot be vanished. That integral value become vanish at pole Z is equal to 3. So we can omit. Now I will find out the residues at Z is equal to 1 and Z is equal to 0. Now do residue at Z is equal to 0 is equal to 0, limit Z tends to 0, Z minus 0 into f of Z. Who is my f of Z? This whole fellow is f of Z. But same problem if I do using Cauchy's integral formula means what? This whole after other than Z I will write as a f of Z. Go back and check. Okay. Now this become what actually? Limit Z tends to 0, Z. Who is my f of Z? 2z minus 1, Z, Z plus 1, Z minus 3. This and this cancel. If you put Z is equal to 0 means what? Minus 1. 1 into minus 3, that is 1 by 3. So R1 is 1 by 3. Getting or not? Now go and find R2. How you will find R2? Residue at Z is equal to minus 1. Shall I rub off? Residue at Z is equal to minus 1. Same story. Limit Z tends to minus 1. Z plus 1. F of Z. Who is my f of Z? The whole fellow is my f of Z. So limit Z tends to minus 1, Z plus 1, 2Z minus 1 by Z into Z plus 1 into Z minus 3. Now this and this cancel. If you put Z is equal to minus 1 means what you will get? Minus 2 minus 1. Denominator is what? Minus 1, minus 1, minus 3. This is minus, plus. Minus means what? Minus 3 by 4. So residue is minus 3. So I don't want to find residue at z is equal to 3. Why means what? The pole is outside. The integral become 0. The integral value becomes 0. I don't want to find vanish. Now how I will write? By using Cauchy's residue theorem. Right. By using Cauchy's residue theorem. Integral over c 2z minus 1 z into z plus 1 z minus 3 is dz is equal to 2 pi I into sigma r, summation of residues. Here how many residues I got? R1 plus R2. 2 pi I. Who is my R1? 1 by 3. Who is my R2? 3 by 4. So 2 pi I 12 4 minus 9 minus 5 will get 2 times it will go, so minus 5 pi I by 6. This is the value of the integration. Thank you for watching our channel. Kindly share and subscribe. Be part of our service. Bye. We meet in next video.